Welcome to Summer Wine Narrowboat Stories.
Right, due to the fact that it was my birthday last Tuesday, me and the family have all come down and we're having dinner at the Albion pub. About 5 minutes away from the cut. A nice short brisk walk. Could have been warmer, I suppose. It's just a matter of waiting for them all to turn up now. It is 1 o'clock, allegedly, and my sister. You never know.
Then on the way back, I spotted this, the Marston's Brewery factory shop. But here is a few clips of the trip back past the fallen down trees in Burton. There's no video of when I actually broke down because I had a coat wrapped around the propeller on the way back as well, which caused a 2.5 hour journey to be extended to nearer 8. But we made it in the end and managed to moor up even in the strong winds with the help of another moorer in the marina. Looks like there's a tree down. Just enough room to get through. Now I know it gets shallow, and I know what I've got to do. Let's give it some welly. Just. Looks like we'll just have to try and get through this one as well. Another one down. Thank you for watching this episode of Summer Wine Narrowboat Stories. Hope you come back again. If you want to subscribe, please press the button below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.